Hello New Zealand, I'm Mitcheell and I feel incredibly privileged to be able to visit you next year. I actually started my career as a school teacher and then very soon after I founded a charity. For the next 20 years, I worked primarily with girls at risk of dropping out of education. I had a psychology clinic where I employed about 12 staff and it was a bit of a private practice, but we also serviced about 30 schools in the region with on-site psychology. It has been my absolute joy and privilege through my career to work with girls about 8 years old and up. And in my seminar with Compass, we're going to be talking about the things that affect girls every single day: social media, sexuality, anxiety and depression. We're going to be talking about friendship dramas and self-harm and helping girls regulate their moods and have really healthy, resilient relationships.